Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with Rockpoint Group, complete guide step by step clearly. Investing with Rockpoint Group can be a strategic move for diversifying your portfolio. First, research Rockpoint Group to understand their investment strategies and focus areas. Visit their official website to gather information on their mission, values, and past performance. Create an account on their platform, ensuring you provide accurate personal and financial information. Review the eligibility criteria for investors to determine if you meet their requirements. Explore the types of investment opportunities they offer, such as commercial real estate or joint ventures. Contact their investor relations team if you have specific questions or need clarification on their investment process. Attend any informational webinars or events they host to gain deeper insights into their strategies. Review the investment materials provided by Rockpoint, including prospectuses and market reports. Evaluate the initial investment minimums and associated fees before making your commitment. Prepare the necessary documentation, such as proof of income and net worth, for the investment process. Once you feel confident, decide on the amount you want to invest and proceed with the transaction. Monitor your investments regularly through the Rockpoint Group portal to track performance. Stay informed about market trends that may affect your investment and the greater real estate landscape. Consider consulting with a financial advisor to align your investments with your long-term goals. Engage with Rockpoint Group's updates and reports to remain active in understanding your investment journey. Evaluating performance periodically will help you make informed decisions about future investments. By following these steps, you can effectively invest with Rockpoint Group and potentially enhance your portfolio. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.